Hi, I'm David Morrison, editor of HowToPower.com and the How to Power Today newsletter. That's me up in the left-hand corner of the How to Power homepage. In this presentation, I'll be discussing salary and hiring trends in the solar inverter industry. To begin, I'll take a brief look at the growth of solar power and how this growth has produced opportunities for power electronics engineers at companies that manufacture solar power inverters. Recent growth in the solar power industry has been dramatic. According to IMS research, the amount of new photovoltaic power generating capacity installed worldwide on an annual basis grew from approximately 8 gigawatts in 2009 to nearly 27 gigawatts in 2011. And despite uncertainty about regulatory and market factors, the amount of PV power generating capacity installed annually is expected to continue to grow in the years ahead, as this chart illustrates. As the market for photovoltaic power has grown in recent years, so too has the number of companies that produce solar power inverters or related products such as DC-to-DC power optimizers. This chart by GTM Research offers a quick overview of the major manufacturers in this field, and there are many other companies, including numerous startups, who are looking to grab a piece of the solar inverter market. The growth in the solar inverter industry has opened up many new opportunities for engineers with a power electronics background. A recent search of manufacturers' websites revealed dozens of job openings. Seeing these many job openings made me curious about salary and hiring trends in this industry, so to get some answers, I conducted a survey of 40 solar inverter companies. Out of the 40 surveyed, 6 companies completed the survey, 3 providing information on engineering opportunities in North America, and 3 offering information relating to opportunities in Europe. Here then are the survey questions and the manufacturers' collective responses to them. The first question asks solar inverter manufacturers about the potential range of salaries for electrical and electronics engineers at their companies. The responses from the 6 participating companies were collected and averaged. The average for the low end of the salary range was approximately $63,000, while the average for the high end of the salary range was approximately $117,000. Among all the responses, the lowest reported value for potential salary for electrical and electronics engineers was $50,000, while the highest reported value for potential salary for these engineers was $130,000. The reported range of salaries differed somewhat by region. Question 2 was similar to question 1, except that now the focus was narrowed to include only salaries for power electronics engineers or others requiring power electronics experience. Again, the responses from the 6 participating companies were collected and averaged. The average for the low end of the salary range was approximately $67,000, while the average for the high end of the salary range was $115,000. Among these responses, the lowest reported value for potential salary was $50,000, while the highest reported value was $130,000. So while the averages changed slightly, when the discussion narrowed from all EEs to just power electronics engineers, the endpoints or extreme values reported for potential salary remained the same. But as before, the responses reported for salary range differed somewhat by region. For the third question, solar inverter companies were asked whether positions for power electronics engineers were any more or less difficult to fill than other EE positions. 4 of the 6 companies responded that it was more difficult to fill these positions, while the remaining 2 responded that the difficulty was about the same. There were no differences in the responses based on region. For the fourth question, solar inverter companies were asked whether they plan to increase or decrease staffing of power electronics engineers over the next 5 years. 5 of the 6 companies indicated that they plan to increase staffing. Only one, a European manufacturer, said they plan to decrease staffing. You'll find a table summarizing these survey results in my Career Development column in the December 2011 issue of Power Systems Design magazine. And for more information on careers in power electronics, stay tuned to the How to Power Today newsletter.